Welcome to NJP Online Mathematics. Let's solve this lovely fractional problem here, a special case involving the application of BODMAS rule. So, we are going to solve this fractional problem. Take note, we have 1 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 4 all over 5 plus 6 over 7. So we are going to simplify this fractional problem here. So let's simplify. So whenever we simplify, we'll start from here, start from this. They'll list the denominator there. So if we start from there, we'll continue by saying that the whole number still remains added to 2 divided by 3 minus 4 all over, we know that the LCM is 7, since this whole number has a denominator of 1. So since it has a denominator of 1, 1 goes into 7 times. So we multiply the 7 by 5. So if we multiply the 7 there by 5, we are going to have 35 plus 7 goes into 7, that is 1 time. We multiply the 1 by 6 and we are going to have 6. So take note, we always put the ones we've just simplified in a bracket. So since we have simplified this, what we are left with now is one whole number added to the fraction of 2 all over 3 minus, so here 35 plus 6 becomes 41. So we are having 4 multiplied by the 7 divided by 41. We have taken the inverse sign of this, since 4 is divided by the whole of this, and this is a fraction. So taking the inverse sign, it now becomes 7 over 41. So we now need to continue. So if we continue by simplifying, we are going to obtain 1 added to 2 divided by 3 minus 4 times of 7, that becomes 28 all over 41. Remember, we are adhering strictly to the BODMAS rule. The BODMAS rule, where B stands for bracket, while O is for of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we just applied the law of multiplication here. So since we've applied the law of multiplication, we need now to apply the law of subtraction, since we know that this is divided by this. So we have to take the LCM of this. So if we take the LCM, we are going to have 1 whole number added to 2 divided by, we know that the LCM here is 41, because 3 as a whole number has a denominator of 1. So if 1 goes into 41, it will be 41 times. So we have to multiply the 41 by 3. And if we multiply the 41 by 3, we are going to have 123 minus, that is the sign in between. 41 goes into 41 1 time. So we multiply the 1 by 28 and we are having 28. Always remember, we bracket the ones we have simplified. So since we have simplified this, we have to continue by saying that 1 whole number added to 2 multiplied by 41, we know that 123. If we subtract it from 28, we are going to have 95. So we have obtained this, so we need to continue simplifying to obtain the final solution of this problem. So if we continue, we are going to have 1 whole number added to 2 times of 41, that is 82 divided by 95. Finally, we have obtained a whole number added to a fraction. So since we have obtained this, we now need to continue by collecting the LCM. If we take the LCM there, we are going to have 95 as the LCM, and we know that a whole number has a denominator which is 1. So if 1 goes into the 95 here, is 95 times, we multiply the 95 by the 1, we are going to have 95. Then we know that we are still going to add it to 82. So if we add 95 plus 82, we are going to have 177 all over 95. Therefore, the final solution of this problem, the simplification of this fractional problem here, which is a special case of the application of BODMAS rule, becomes 177 divided by 95. We can still continue by converting this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. But for those who are writing Jamb, we know that this can also be kept in this way, or we continue by simplifying it into a mixed fraction. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.